Okay, so I said I would do a quick video on the sound difference between the original spindle from the ShapeOko, the upgraded DeWalt DW660, and the quiet cut spindle from Inventables. So I've simply loaded a sound meter app here on my phone that I'll try and display here for you while I go through and do it. We'll start out with the original Rotary tool from ShapeOko, set to the max RPMs. Next up, we'll move over to the DeWalt DW660. And lastly, we'll go with the quiet cut spindle. If I can get it turned on here. And there we are. So as you can see, the DeWalt DW660 is obviously the loudest. Unfortunately, I have noticed here on the sound meter app that I've loaded that my microphone actually probably limits the decibels being received, because the maximum it's ever received was 81, no matter how loud that I've made it near my microphone. So, hope this helps.